This morning I'm being inspired by people at home getting creative in the kitchen with Maggi, and today I'm taking a leaf out of their book and making up easy meatballs using a packet of Maggi onion soup mix that I've got in my kitchen. First up, I'm going to chop some fresh herbs. I've got parsley, tarragon and oregano, some mince into the bowl. I've got about 400 grams here. Scrape that in. I'm going to add the fresh herbs too. Also going to add in an egg. I'll just give it a quick beat first. Goes in too. Lovely, these are lovely portobellos from meadow mushrooms. And we'll scrape these into our bowl too with the rest of our mix. Try to do it neatly. Got some breadcrumbs, they're going to go in too. And also a grated carrot. In that goes. And the next ingredient, the Maggi onion soup mix. Yes, the type you might have in your cupboard for making the classic kiwi dip. That's why I've got it in my cupboard. Such an easy flavouring to use in dishes like this, and we'll give it a really good mix through. Just going to finish shaping up the balls and then we'll get them into a hot pan to brown off. And while they are going, so that butter through, oh, I can hear that sizzle, sounds good. We'll get started on our sauce. I've got a chopped up onion here and a finely diced clove of garlic. Into a hot pan, we'll add a tin of diced tomatoes. I quite like to use the ones with herb or Italian flavouring, and I've just got a few more fresh herbs, I'll sprinkle those in too. Our prepared sauce is ready to go into our meatball pan. Scrape it through. Oh, hear that sizzle. Lovely. And we're going to let that simmer and cook through for a few minutes. Here are my easy meatballs served with spaghetti, great for a quick, easy dinner. Just using the ingredients I have in my pantry. Key ingredient, the Maggi onion soup mix.